If he gets her nose, forget about it.
She still got spit on her face.
Look it. Oh. He's licking her eyes.
She's gonna be mad at you guys when she's older if they even do that. Don't lick her eye.
That's okay, baby. They're
Oh,
good, baby.
I know that's weird.
Oh.
Lick her eye.
That's my cousin.
That's
That's my cousin.
Oh, he's just kissing her. I think he's gonna suck her forehead. I'm giving her hair.
She spit all over her. Jace, that's not a boob, that's your cousin.
That is so
Oh, is he pulling on her?
No.
She would have screamed.
She's getting their minds, yes. Look at her.
She doesn't even wake up.
They're bonding.
She's all, this is quite comforting, actually.
Jace, you really know her nose, that's it.
I know.
Because I know when she has my nose,
Look at,
it's... Jace,
oh my
leave her.
god, that is so cute.
He's not, I can't find it. He's kicking too.
He's looking at you.
What you doing, Daddy? What you doing, Papachito? Huh? Are you kissing Cousin? Are you kissing cousin?
Oh.
Oh my goodness,
You
Jace.
just have to
I
get in the
love
video.
her.
I know, huh?
Oh, sorry.
He's all just love her. My cousin just love her. And she's not.
She's gonna wake up mad. She's gonna have a hickey on her forehead.
Oh.
You're a little funny boy.
Yeah, my cousin tastes pretty good. Oh my goodness, thank goodness she's not sweaty.
You're my little cousin, yes, and you taste
Oh.
He's getting irritated. Okay, now. Jace, look at.
Oh, but is it bad if she had lotion on her face?
Oh.
Oh.
I mean, you don't know.
Jace. They're all over her eyes.
And then I love this kind of
Oh. Oh, are you hungry, baby?
You ate.
Are you hungry? My goodness. No, I was just attacking my cousin. He's looking for her. Where'd she go? Where'd she go?